Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm giving you an AE-style Spider-Man edit preset in Alight motion that will instantly level up your edits and help you go viral. Right now, Spider-Man edits are blowing up everywhere. So, without wasting any time, let's get into the preview.
Would like to take notes while I take totes of the
I can't believe our first hit in my team! You're not the happiest you've ever been in your entire life.
I can't.
I knew it!
Hi, my name is Peter Parker. You don't remember me, but we used to know each other. Something bad was going to happen, and the only way to stop it was to make everyone forget about me. Because I'm not Spider-Man. And sometimes Spider-Man has to do the hard thing, even if it breaks Peter Parker's heart.
I hope you love the edit. The full edit preset, CC, and text pack will be available on my Telegram channel. Link in the description. Don't forget to join the Telegram channel. And if you're new here and want to learn AE-style editing on mobile, make sure to subscribe. Also, if you want to enhance your edits even more, go watch this video on your screen right now. See you in the next one.